Welcome ladies and gentlemen to this target topic course on the brand new Firestore NoSQL document database technology brought to you by the good folks over at Firebase. In this course we are going to build this awesome app from scratch and in the process learn all about Firestore. The idea of this app is to be a place where people can just share their random thoughts to the world. You can sort by various topics, like different posts, and add your own. As we create this app, we are going to learn how to set up a Firestore project, how to create and save data to your database, and how to retrieve and sort that data as needed. By the end of this course, you will have a strong understanding of the fundamentals of Firestore and how they can be used to make a cool app just like this. So let's get started, and I'll see you in the next one.